At the edge of the village stood a curious little boy named Shahan. His big, bright eyes gazed toward the mysterious forest beyond. At the forest called to him, a land of untold adventures and magical possibilities. His heart knew that beyond those trees was something extraordinary. Sunlight danced through the branches, painting the ground with magic. Each step he took echoed with the promise of mysteries untold. The air was thick with the scent of damp earth and ancient secrets. Shadows swirled around him, whispering stories of forgotten times. It fluttered ahead, leading him deeper into the woods. Crystal clear water swirled around his feet as he crossed a stream. Their branches swayed like dancers, their leaves singing without a sound. The whole forest danced to a melody only it could hear. It welcomed Shaahan with open arms. In the heart of the forest, a tiny squirrel wearing round glasses peeked from behind a tree. "Welcome to the magic forest, Shaahan." Shaahan blinked in disbelief. You can talk?" A colorful parrot swooped down, its feathers shimmering like jewels. "Of course. Even the flowers sing here." Shaahan burst into laughter and started clapping. He joined the joyful animals. Monkeys flipped and twirled. Rabbits hopped in circles. And a tiny turtle spun on its shell like a percussionist. As the sun dipped low, a golden glow bathed the enchanted forest. It was time for Shaahan to go. Baba Buddha extended a large, gnarled hand, holding a shimmering leaf. "Whenever you need us, blow on this leaf, and the magic forest will find you." Shaahan smiled, tucking the leaf safely away. Under the night sky, he raced home, his heart racing with excitement. The forest whispered behind him secrets of future adventures to come. The stars twinkled above, and the forest shimmered in the distance, waiting for his return. Shaahan, whispering to himself, "I know my adventures are just beginning."